Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do this cute and expensive last minute 3-tier mini dress. You actually don't need that many things for this dress, which is great. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do, of course, is grab your pattern paper, and I'm using like a oversized t-shirt that I like the fit of, and I'm just gonna lay it out here and start tracing it out. So I wanted my neckline to be a little different. I didn't want it too deep, so I'm just adjusting it here. So go ahead and trace out your back piece as well. So I wanted only 2 tiers to my dress because I wanted it to be kind of short. So here's how I determined the width and the length. So I did 54 inches long for the first tier, and then for the second tier I did 64 inches long. This part is totally up to you. This is just what I did. So I'm just measuring out the length of my armhole here. I also did it for the back, and they both were 11 inches long. So first you're gonna decide how long you want your sleeve. I'm just drawing a straight line there. Then I just decided what my wrist measurement was. I didn't do anything special. I just figured 10 inches wide would be enough. And remember that 11-inch measurement we took from the armhole. I'm just drawing a straight line from the top of the sleeve out. Now go ahead and draw that line from the shoulder cap to the wrist measurement. Now I'm just adding the curve to my sleeve. You can see what I'm doing here. Once you're done, just double check your measurement and make sure everything is good. And it should look a little something like this. Now I'm just making the measurement for my cuff. Just make sure you have a good measurement for you to take your arm in and out of the sleeve easily. I just decided that 9 inches was pretty good for me. I made my cuff 3 inches high because I wanted my cuff to actually be 1.5 inches, so that 3 inches is for the fold over. Now you guys are done with all of your patterns. Be sure to add 1/2 inch to all the pattern pieces. Okay, grab all your pieces, put right sides together, and go ahead and pin. Now put the front and the back pieces together and stitch at the shoulder seam and the side seam. Now you want to create 2 basting stitches for the gathers. You can just kind of see what I'm doing here. And this is what it should look like. Now you want to attach the first tier to the bodice. Now go ahead and attach the second tier to the first tier. Now create 2 basting stitches on the top of the sleeve. When you attach the sleeve to the bodice, be sure to sew with the gathering at the bottom. The presser foot will help ease this in. Now go ahead and attach the cuff to the sleeve. Go ahead and top stitch the neckline. Also, off camera, I went ahead and hemmed my dress. Hey, you all done? It's time to party. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy dress. Be sure to stay strong and be fierce, my fashion lovers. See you in my next video.